On the afternoon of July 31st, an employee at a manufacturing facility was working inside a hopper, welding in a new liner using portable welding device. After finishing a portion of their work, the employee decided to take a short break at around 4:30 p.m. The worker removed their insulating gloves and welding shield to climb out of the hopper, unaware of the danger this decision posed to their personal safety. As the employee gripped the lip of the hopper with one hand and rested their other hand on the top of the still energized welding machine, they suffered an immediate and fatal electrical shock. Following the incident, OSHA's investigation uncovered several critical safety violations at the facility that increased workers' risk of electrocution and other hazards. The employer had not provided adequate mechanical ventilation inside the hopper, where the welding work was being performed. OSHA safety and health standards require proper ventilation to disperse welding fumes and minimize respiratory hazards to workers in confined spaces. Additionally, OSHA found that the ground connections on the portable welding machine had not been inspected for safety. Ground connections are essential to prevent electrical shock, and OSHA requires regular inspections to ensure they remain intact. In this case, the employer's oversight exposed workers to serious electrical hazards. The investigation also revealed that the welding machine's power plug was improperly connected at the time of the worker's death, further increasing the risk of shock. Alongside this issue, the welder's flexible cord was not fitted with proper strain relief, causing stress on electrical joints and connections, which can lead to failure and increase workers' risk of electrocution. This tragic event underscores the importance of OSHA's requirements for electrical safety in welding operations. Comprehensive safety measures like proper ventilation, rigorous equipment inspections, secure power connections, and strain relief on cords are vital for preventing electrocution and ensuring that workers conduct welding operations in the safest manner possible.